How well do you really know your UK road signs? Let's find out. In this video, we're putting your knowledge to the test with 40 UK road signs for the driving test, designed to help you stay safe on the road and pass your UK driving theory test. Whether you're a learner driver, preparing for your DVSA exam, or just brushing up on your knowledge, this interactive quiz will challenge you and get you ready for test day. Don't skip this video. Watch until the end to give yourself the best shot at acing your test. All right, let's jump in. Question 1. Which traffic sign warns of loose chippings? The answer is B. Question 2. Which road sign warns of a slippery road? The answer is C. Question 3. Which traffic sign marks a bus tourists parking area? The answer is A. Question 4. Can you identify the one-way traffic sign? The answer is C. Question 5. Which traffic sign directs vehicles to an emergency diversion route for motorway and other main road traffic? The answer is A. Before we proceed, smash that like button to show your support if this video is helping you understand these UK road signs. Question 6. Which road sign indicates the end of a designated quiet lane in England? The answer is D. Question 7. Can you identify the 20 km/h speed limit road sign? The answer is A. Question 8. Which traffic sign warns of sharp bends ahead where traffic is diverted onto a temporary route? The answer is B. Question 9. Can you identify the tramway road sign? The answer is C. Question 10. Can you identify the mini roundabout traffic sign? The answer is A. Want more practical road sign practice? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next session. Question 11. Which road sign shows lanes 2 and 3 closed ahead? The answer is D. Question 12. Which traffic sign marks a bay reserved for loading and unloading by goods vehicles? The answer is B. Question 13. Can you identify the target for crossing gate road sign? The answer is A. Question 14. Which traffic sign represents a general danger warning? The answer is A. Question 15. Which road sign shows that lorries are prohibited? The answer is B. If you know someone who's learning to drive or just wants to brush up on their road sign knowledge, share this video with them. It's a fun way to learn together and stay sharp for the roads. Question 16. Can you identify the traffic sign for 300 yards to a roundabout, or the next point at which traffic may leave? The answer is B. Question 17. Which traffic sign indicates 300 yards, 270 meters, to a roundabout? The answer is A. Question 18. Which road sign warns of a steep descent ahead? The answer is C. Question 19. Can you identify the approach direction traffic sign? The answer is A. Question 20. Which road sign marks the end of a cycle route? The answer is B. Question 21. Which traffic sign warns of fog ahead? The answer is A. Question 22. Can you identify the crossbuck road sign? The answer is D. Question 23. Which traffic sign indicates the end of an area where vehicles may be parked partially on the verge or footway? The answer is A. Question 24. Which road sign shows 300 yards to a roundabout or the next exit point? The answer is B. Question 25. Which traffic sign warns of two-way traffic ahead across a one-way carriageway? The answer is A. Question 26. Which road sign indicates a disc and meter parking zone? The answer is C. Question 27. Which traffic sign shows a bus parking area? The answer is A. Question 28. Which road sign warns that the road narrows on the right? The answer is B. Question 29. Which traffic sign warns of wild horses or ponies ahead? The answer is C. Question 30. Which road sign shows that vehicular traffic should not proceed beyond this point? The answer is A. Question 31. Which traffic sign indicates two-way traffic? The answer is D. Question 32. What sign indicates an additional traffic lane joining from the left ahead? The answer is A. Question 33. Which triangular traffic sign indicates a diversion route? The answer is B. Question 34. Which road sign shows appropriate traffic lanes for different maneuvers? The answer is A. Question 35. Which traffic sign marks a controlled zone? The answer is C. Question 36. Which road sign indicates goods vehicles are prohibited? The answer is A. Question 37. Which traffic sign shows a maximum speed limit of 60 miles per hour? The answer is B. Question 38. Which road sign warns of a double bend? First to the left. The answer is A. Question 39. Which traffic sign directs you to a park and ride car park? The answer is D. Question 40. Which sign represents a zebra crossing? The answer is C. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful for your UK driving theory test, give it a like and subscribe for more tips, quizzes, and study guides. Turn on the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.